Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable remote desktop on Windows laptop. Most especially if you have your PC at office or at home and you still want to have access to the PC remotely, consider to watch this video and see how you do the setup and how you enable remoting on your Windows PC. So let's see. Very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, and then what you need to do is to right click on your start bar. Then you have to navigate to settings, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to system right here, click on that, and this is going to pop up. Then the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down all the way down to remote desktop. Click on that. Now at this point here, remote desktop lets you connect and control this PC from a remote device by using a remote desktop client available for Windows, Android, iOS, and Mac. You will be able to work from another device as if you were working directly on your PC. So what you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here. And right here, enable remote desktop. You and user selected under your account will be connected to this PC remotely. Click on confirm. Boom. It's as simple as that. You have enabled it and you can add a user to your account. So basically, this is how to enable desktop remote on your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.